Hi everyone, here we've got ARCHOS Access 57 and let me show you all secret codes which will work on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and let me show you the first code. It's *pound *pound 4636 ****. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode, so we can check some phone info, usage statistics or Wi-Fi info. Let me pick, for example, phone info, and as you can see here, we are provided with email info, for example, data service, data network type, or we can run ping test here. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got all the results. What's more, we can tap on the three dots icon, and as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. You can, for example, enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Now let me get back and let's check, for example, usage statistics. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here, we've got the list of all installed apps. We can sort them by usage time, just like here, or simply tap on it and sorted by, for example, app name, and from now on all those apps will be alphabetically sorted. Let's get back and let's check some Wi-Fi info, for example, the status. As you can see here, we can refresh stats, and here we've got all the info. We can check SSID or network ID. What's more, we can run ping test also, and here we've got the results. Now let me get back to the dialer and let me show you another code. It's *pound 06 pound. And as you can see, thanks to this code, we are provided with both email numbers attached to this device. So let's click on OK, and let me show you another code. It's *pound 225 pound *pound *. And here we are in a calendar info. Here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country, or events attached and saved on your mail. So now let's get back to the dialer again, and let me show you the last code. It's *pound 426 pound *pound *. And here we are in a diagnostics provided by Google. We can check some events and also the status. What's more, we can show the advanced view. Simply tap on the three dots icon and tap on advanced view. And as you can see, here we've got much more details. So this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your ARCHOS Access 57. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.